Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. You don't have to settle for same old meatloaf. You can change it up and make it with some Indian spices and some vegetables. It's gonna be so moist and so delicious, so easy to make. Let me show you how, and let's get started. You're gonna start with 2 pounds of ground chuck, 85%. To that, you're gonna add 1 egg, 1/4 cup of panko crumbs, and this is unseasoned panko crumbs. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2.5 tablespoons of ketchup. I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, some garlic and fresh ginger. Now you're gonna add 8 ounces of frozen peas and carrots. And as you can see, it's still frozen, and that's okay. I'm gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of sauteed onions. I caramelized them slightly with some butter. Just let them cool a little bit before you add them on top of the meat. Add salt, black pepper, and we're gonna add some spices like turmeric, curry powder, and a little bit of coriander. This isn't gonna be at all spicy, and you can always adjust it to your liking. Get in there and mix everything very well. You're gonna get a 9x5 pan and you're gonna start piling the meatloaf. For an easy release, I'm gonna brush it with some melted or room temperature butter. Fill about half of the pan. Then make a little dent and you're gonna try to fit 3 hard-boiled eggs. Cover with the rest of the meat. Pile it really nicely and tightly. Smooth it on top. I bake inside of a pan lined with foil paper, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 45 to an hour. It depends on your oven. It's gonna look crispy and caramelized and really good. You're gonna be able to tell when it's done. This looks amazing, the color, the smell. Wait for it to cool a little bit. I was impatient and I sliced into it while it's still warm, and it cracked a little bit. But that's fine. It looks amazing. And the taste is so moist and so good. Try it for yourselves. I serve it with simple green salad. This is a recipe I'll be making a lot in the future. Everybody enjoyed it. I hope you do too. And until next time, bon appétit!